Yo, I did it. You will do it. Let's make this money together. Hello, my name is David Isamujo. Welcome to another t-shirt design tutorial. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-shirt Design. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the process, the steps, the stages of how to create t-shirt design graphics that sell. Yes, t-shirt design graphics that sell. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right to it. But before then, subscribe if you've not subscribed, and go through the channel if you need to get more videos. As you can see, I have about 49 episodes. Today's episode makes the 50th episode, so yeah, that's a milestone. This is the 50th episode. Started it full series at the beginning of January, and this is the 50th episode, so it's supposed to be more, but some days we're out due to some personal reason. But if you've not watched this, make sure you go through and watch the channel. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to it. So first of all, we'll go to a site called Flat Icons. If you watch my other video, you should know what this site is about. Please, 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 I will beg you from beginning, don't click off. Don't click off from this video. Make sure you watch it from beginning to the end so that you don't miss any part of it. Don't click off. So the site is Flat Icon. Today we're just gonna search beer. Sorry, a beer. So it's going to be about a beer. It's going to be a beer design. So this site is a very good site to get element for your t-shirt design. Get a lot of element for your t-shirt design. So we just look for a fanciful fun beer. You can see we just have to look for a beer, a fanciful beer. Okay, see this one for example. See this one. I think I like this blue. No, take this. So you can see which is just the process we have to go through. Then click on PNG, that's to download in PNG. This is the owner, so always make sure you give credit. This is the owner, as you can see here. Make sure you always give credit to them. So click on download. Click on download. See how the download is already here. So the next step is to open our online t-shirt maker, which is canva.com. I use Photoshop and Canva. If you don't know from my videos, you should know I use Photoshop and Canva, but for this I'll use Photoshop. If you want me to use for this I'll use Canva. Sorry, if you want me to use Photoshop in the future, just let me know down in the comments. I love to use Photoshop more though, because it gives you the freedom to do some things which Canva don't give you the freedom to do. So that's the advantage of using Photoshop. But some people just want to know how to use Canva, so that's why I'm using Canva. For this I'll create new design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel, nothing else but pixel. This is the standard. Create new. You should open a new tab. Once it's done opening in a new tab, please, I will advise you to watch to the very end. I will say this to the end of the video. If you don't watch to the very end, then you don't stand a chance of making a good design that makes money, a good design that sells. So I advise you just watch to the very end. Super important you watch to the very end. Don't miss any part of it. So I'll come to upload video image, go to download, because that's where it's downloaded. We'll look for our panda. You can see this is our panda, so just click on it, open. It's going to load here. See, didn't take us time. Sometimes to take you time depending on the size of the image. So now just click on this one for it to appear here. So click on it. I hope you're following me so that you don't miss out. So this is it. You can see it's quite big, so I'll just reduce it a bit. Move my mouse to this edge, my left mouse click button, and I'll drag inwards. So that I'll have this in the middle. Just have this in the middle. So the next step for this is to add our text. Just add our text, and so we'll just look for a fancy text. Just look for a fancy font text to use here, and just look for one. Look for one. Okay, you just keep scrolling. Please make sure you don't click off. The most important step is coming after this step. This is just the design stage. So I think I can use this. You can see, so just bring this down, increase this, over my mouse to this head, left mouse click button, drag outwards. So now as you can see it's grouped, so I'll ungroup that. So now I can delete each part of the element. So just delete this. So this one is going to say beer gang. Let's say beer gang. So that is it. Our design is here, so all we have to do now is move it to the middle. Okay, so it's in the middle. We don't need to change anything now. So now we have it as beer gang. So now I'll just save this. As you can see, I'm using the free version of Canva, so I can't save it without the background. It's going to have the white background on this image. So if you don't want the white background, there's a step to follow, but before then let's just click on download. That step is the most important. Make sure you are still watching. If you watch this stage, I want to say thank you. I super appreciate you for spending your time watching through to this process. You're learning something. You're also making me happy that I'm not wasting my time teaching nobody. I'm happy that someone is actually watching with me, watching along. I say thank you. God bless you. So the next step, which is very important, if you have Photoshop and you don't want to pay for Canva Pro, which I simply advise you pay for Canva Pro, because the next step is going to take you will I say time, or you have to put more time into it to get this white background off, but I'll show you anyway. So if you don't want to go through that stress, you can just get Canva Pro for about $12. But if you don't want that, you can follow this next step. So open show folder. This should be it. I think this is it. So I'll just right click, open with Photoshop. Photoshop. This is the way I remove my own white background. I remove my white background. As you can see, I don't think there's a time I can do without Photoshop, but if you are okay with just putting your designs on white layers, then fine. You can just leave it at that and upload it straight to Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon to make money online. Passive income. Once the money start coming in, it becomes passive. It's passive income, real passive income. I can guarantee you, if you have about 200 unique design on each of these stores, mind you, you can post your design is not strictly for one side. A design you post on Redbubble, you can post it on Teespring, TeePublic, just like that. So if you have 200 design you post on all these sides, I can guarantee you 1 to 2,000 a month. That is guarantee. 1 to 2,000 a month is guarantee. So you can see we're almost done with this video, but we're not yet done. We just want to remove the background. So to do that, we'll come to Magic Word 2. Come to Magic Word 2. You click on this white background. So once you click on this white background, now press delete. You can see. So now if you notice, it has given me a different design. So now any shirt you put your design on will determine the color, the remaining part of the beer. I hope you get that. Yeah, that's just something fun I love to do with my designs. So if you're still watching it, you would have gotten these parts and it would be amazing. So just keep watching. So now I'm removing all the extra white from inside the letters, and once I'm done with that, I can then save it. So now as you can see, I don't have the white background again, so I'll just save this as beer gang. Save as pictures, beer gang, png, save it. And now I can take my design to Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match Amazon, upload them, and just leave them with time you start getting sales, and super easy design sell. You don't need to get things complicated. To your left, sorry, to your right, you see the playlist, Canva t-shirt design playlist. Make sure you watch this playlist, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you, and see you on the next one. Have a great day.